Okay, hello students. Today again we are back with the algebraic expression chapter. In the previous class we discussed about the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. Okay, but here in this exercise 7b, we have to learn to find out the product of the algebraic expression. Let us solve one question and then try to understand whether we are able to solve it or not. Like question number 1, 4a square equal to 6a to the power 4. Okay. The way you multiply this one, because 4 and 6, these two are the numbers. 4 into 6 gives you 24. Simply, you can multiply the given number and resultantly we are getting 24, 4 into 6. Now here a square and a to the power 4 into a square into a to the power 4. That means in the exponent chapter we already are being taught that if the bases are same and exponents are different to each other in the form of multiplication, if they are, their exponents are supposed to be added. So 24 into a to the power 2 plus 4. So this will give you 24 into, you're not supposed to write, okay, because 24a, if I write 24 into the power 6, so this is the relation. What is the relation between a and 24? E to the power 6 and 24 is the multiplication. So simply we can solve this question. Very easy question, I guess you have understood. Now let's take question number 5. Question number 5 is minus 15 by 4 ab square c into 6 by 3 a square bc square. Okay, now the two things I am having here, again whatever the number is given, that will be written all at one side. Minus 15 by 4 into 6 by 3 and ab square. So a is 1 here and a is 2 here, so we can write 1 plus 2 b square, and here b to the power 1. If nothing is there, that means 1. If nothing is there, 1. If nothing is there, that means 1. So b square and b to the power 1, that means 2 plus 1. C to the power, similarly 1 plus 2. If this gets cancelled, please cancel it. 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 4. So minus 15 by 2, a to the power 3, b to the power 3, c to the power 3. So this is your product in the form of answer. Okay, I am going to show you some more question, some more solution. Okay, so I hope you are understanding how can we multiply. If the bigger numbers, if the number of expressions are getting increased, then how can we solve? Okay, the methods will all the same. Okay, no problem whatsoever. So let us see few more problems from this exercise. So I am erasing it. Now question number 8, I am taking question number 8. Minus 3 by 5 s square t must be under the bracket into 15 by 7 s t square u into 7 by 9 s u square. Okay, so what I have taught you, I have taught you to write all the numerical figures at one step. So minus 3 by 5 into 15 by 7 into 7 by 9. Did you get that? Now we will count the number of s first of all. S is 2 here. S, if nothing is there, that means 1. If nothing is there, that means 1. So s to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1, this one and this one for s, into t. So t to the power, nothing is there, that means 1. So 1 plus 2. No t here, okay. No u here, but here u we are having 1. So u to the power 1 plus, again u to the power 2, so 1 plus 2. Now what to do? If you will see that any possibilities of cancelling the number, we will cancel. 7, 7 get cancelled. 5, 3 are 15 cancel. 3, 3 are 9 cancel. 3, 1 are 3 cancel. So minus 1. So 1 not supposed to write. Simply we will write minus s to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1. That means 4. T to the power 3 and u to the power 3. So this is your product. Understanding, students? Similarly, we are heading to all the questions can be done. Similarly, all these questions can be done. Now, I am going to show you the solution for question number 10. Okay. Any problem, students? If any problem, please you can call me, interact with me, clear your doubts. I am always there for your help to make you understand if any problem is there. Please. Now, moving on to heading to the question number 10. Students, what is question number 10? Multiply minus 2 by 3 x square y by 6 by 5 x cube y square and verify result for x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. First of all, we have to get the product. The solution I am doing. So question number 10 and 11 both are the same questions. So what do you have to do? Just follow it up. If you could learn this one, you can solve question number 11 very easily. So minus 2 by 3 x square y into 6 by 5 x cube y square. Okay. Now, what I have just told you, that numbers should be kept at one step. So minus 2 by 3 into 6 by 5 into x to the power 2 and here 3. So 2 plus 3 y to the power 1 and here y 2. 3 to the 6 can get cancelled. So minus 4 by 5 x to the power 5 y to the power 3. Okay. So this is your product. Now what we have to do? We have to verify the result for x equal to 2. That means I am going to verify. How can we verify? So I am going to write verification. Okay. So minus 2 by 3 x square y into 6 by 5 x cube y square equal to the product. What is the product? Minus 4 by 5 x to the power 5 y to the power 3. So I am writing minus 2 by 3 here, x square, that means 2 square, y is 3 into 6 by 5. Are you understanding what I am doing? I am just placing the given value for x and y. X is again 2, so 2 cube into y square, that means 3 square. Okay, so this is LHS part. This is LHS part. So 3 get cancelled. Okay. Now equal to minus 4 by 5 x to the power 5. X to the power 5, that means 2 to the power 5 y cube, that means 3 to the power 3. Let's see whether these two are equal or not. So minus 2 into 2 square, that means 4 into 6 into 2 cube means 8, 3 square means 9 by 5. Okay, So 2 4 ja 8, right? 8 6 ja 48. Okay. So minus 48 into 8 9 ja 72 by 5. Simply we need to multiply. So 48 and 72 will get multiplied. This is what? This is minus 3, 4, 5, 2 by 5. So this part is LHS. Let's see what is in RHS we are going to get. I'm just putting the equal sign just to maintain this one. Minus 4 by 5 into 2 to the power 5, that means 32. Into 3 to the power 3, that means 27. What we have to do? Again, I'm going to multiply. So 27 4 ja minus 108 into 32 by 5. One more multiplication. 108 into 32, that means 216 into 6, 4 plus 1 5, 2 to 4. Okay, here, sorry, 6 would be there. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also minus 3, 4, 5, 6 by 5. So both are equal or not? Yes, both are equal. So we will say that LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. I hope you have understood this one. Okay, students. So this is your homework. Complete. Please, students, maintain your copy. Complete exercise 7B. In the next class, I will show you the solution for exercise 7C. Thank you very much.